Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy trick you can try if your Fire TV stick is still having playback issues when using a VPN to access certain content. In the previous video I showed you how to install a VPN on a Firestick to access content that's geo-restricted. For example, if we try to open BBC iPlayer from outside the UK without a VPN, we get an error message. So next we turn on the VPN and connect to a UK server. However, when we go back to try and open BBC iPlayer again, we see the same error message even though a VPN is connected. So here's the simple fix. We go into Settings and then Applications, then Manage Installed Applications and find BBC iPlayer. We select it and go down the options and clear the cache. Now, when we go back and open up BBC iPlayer again, the content will start to work normally. It should be noted this won't fix every BBC iPlayer or VPN issue, but it's a quick and easy solution that often works and is definitely worth trying. If you found this video helpful, hit the like, subscribe and the notification bell to keep up to date with future video releases. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.